Morning everyone, it's day 17 of our challenge. This challenge today we're going to have a look at using some new tools like stretch, how we can manipulate the dimensions to include the correct output, and we'll have a look at some angled features as well. Also going to improve on stuff like a line, our offsets, our trims, and our mirror functions as well. So let's have a look at today's challenge. So here is the challenge. This is a small little V block. Which has like a pulley system within, so it's got like a pulley, so belts for different sort of diameters. So essentially this is a draw once, because all these pulleys are exactly the same, and copy it around, obviously by the set dimensions. So hopefully you'll get a lot out of skills on this. There's also, if you notice on these two ends, a small little hatch tool as well, which you can learn to get to grips with for the first time. So hopefully this is a challenge, new features, help you build your own development. So remember, stay tuned tonight 6 PM for the walkthrough. Thanks guys.